Former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque has joined the TikTok weekend dance craze. He displayed a few dance steps in his white polo barong. The video has over 244,000 views on Twitter. Netizens commented,
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.